It has been over 100 days since I quit my job to build the mobile app YourFam from scratch. As I said in my previous video, no co-founder, no external investors, just a strong resolve and a 3-month learning sprint so far. What I am saying may not look like a fancy startup story, but perhaps this is what a solo build will look like. YourFam is a single app that will replace several apps for food logs, habit tracker, workout logs, task list, time management, to name a few. However, YourFam is not just a productivity bundle. This is just a foundation. The version 1 of the app is the step 1 towards building a lifelong companion for you. It will be for your clarity, calm, and control. Okay, in this video, I will give you a brief about what I am learning as a non-techie towards the build of YourFam and how I have planned the actual build of the mobile application. The build of YourFam is structured into 18 phases. I have finalized that execution roadmap before I have started learning a single line of code. If I am building an app for clarity, I myself should need that clarity first. This is not just a vibe project. I have built a learning pipeline from zero to full stack developer in 150 days. For front end, I am using React Native. For design, it is Canva and Figma. The backend is handled via Django and Firebase. The code is on GitHub. The AI is powered by OpenAI GPT 3.5 API. The tracking will be done on PostHog. All my ideas are stored in Notion, and my own time as of now is tracked via Clockify. How does my day go? Yeah, I work for 10 to 12 hours each day. In it, you can say around 7 hours go into learning the coding bit of it. So far, I have covered HTML, CSS, Python, Django, and also some advanced concepts in Canva. Couple of hours are spent in marketing via social media content, in which I primarily use Canva, and it also involves a lot of editing, making the script, and of course posting on social media. I spend 2 more hours every day in research, benchmarking, and also finalizing how the app flow should be. All my learnings are tracked in Notion. In Notion, I also track the percentage completion of each course and the important concepts, codes, and syntaxes I have learned, and how those codes and syntaxes are useful or relevant for the YourFam app. I try to spend my day as much planned as possible, and sometimes I deviate, but most of the times I stick to my schedule. Some days I made very good progress, understood some layouts, successfully implemented Flexbox and Grid in CSS, and also cleaned up certain designs. However, there are also a few days where I have endlessly stared at the screen for hours in frustration. Those are the days where the plugins would have failed, or I myself would have failed in understanding a complex Python logic. Or I may have wasted several hours to fix tiny and useless tweaks in the design of the application. I have hired no developers to help me. I am not taking any shortcuts. Yes, I use ChatGPT to understand, but not to code the syntax. I am learning things myself the hard way, even when it is absolutely and painfully slow. My learning pipeline finishes in July 2025. The front end is also getting built in parallel. Backend starts in August. I will be testing the MVP or minimum viable product with friends in September. The launch is planned on October 2, Dashara or Vijay Dashami. I am planning 10,000 users by quarter 4 of this financial year or by 31st March 2026. If you want to understand how solo build works, please subscribe to this channel or at least follow me to see how I win and break down each week. Thank you.